Alright, so this is a tutorial of the old astronomy project on Zooniverse. I've already clicked get started and this is the first image that we've been given. So the first thing to do is decide which of these categories it satisfies. From these you can obviously see it is a photograph of the sky, so I'm going to click that. And I don't think it satisfies any of these other options, so we'll click next. The next thing it asks is how many photos are on this page. Obviously there are just two, so click that. The next thing is, do these have labeled axes? Does not look like it, so no. So now with no labeled axes, we have to draw individual rectangles around the sky figures. Okay, so there's a rectangle tool. So I'll draw it around this first image. Okay, and draw it around the caption, which looks like it's right here. Alright, so done with that. Oh, so that's all you need to do for this image. Alright, so this one is unclear. It's just a black circle. It looks like it says it's a drawing. So I'm just going to click a drawing. There's only one. No labeled axes. So again, we have this rectangle tool. Let's include the scale bar. Okay. This one is another drawing. There's one image. No labeled axes. Here we have a table. There are no images of the sky on this one, so that's all that takes. So this one is not exactly a photograph of the sky, but I would say it's another type of image of the sky, especially since it has labeled axes. There are 3 images. Yes, they're labeled axes. Alright, so crop around a single sky figure that has any axes labeled. Include in your crop the axes and axes labels. We'll do this first image. Alright, next. Now we have to draw the axes. So it says to connect 2 numbers. Do there. And we'll do these ones. Alright, so on the left, the declination goes from 58.6 to 59.5. And on the bottom, 162 to 151. On the left is deck. And on the bottom is right ascension. Alright, so those were a few examples. We can keep going. back to our original image.